as soon as possible. They will regret it very soon.
Okay, we like works this time around, but the speed looks still extremely low. Like better than before, but not the best. Okay,
I'm on your stream right now, so I will tell you if something going wrong.
sure. The cabal cannot stop the stream. Like, if they think they can do that, they should try again, cabal. Cabal. Hello, cabal. We back. You can't really stop us like that, cabal.
It's sounding kind of good.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're not lagging.
Okay, that's a good start.
DeepSeek AI running. DeepSeek AI was in the market for a while. It was 2 or 3 months already. And the thing, what you just find out about it, is just crazy for me. I've been using it forever already.
But you know the difference?
Hmm?
You didn't make money off it. Did you buy the coin? Or did you make a DeepSeek coin?
Oh, that's my fault for sure.
That's the problem.
That's something I've been missing the whole time. That's my problem. Oh yeah, for sure. I just missed the opportunity of actually making money on it. But the how to say, not
But you were early.
right. And I knew it's gonna blow up. I have a messages from Sunday. I've been texting all of my friends to them to go and check out the DeepSeek, and like 8 hours after, everybody started speaking about it. That's crazy.
Yeah. So
Okay, peace by now. CoinW, see you.
Can everybody hear me and see me properly? I'll turn on my camera right now. Anybody can see and hear me properly this time around? No complaints because my network looks super sharp. Seems like we're beaming live without any problem. Now we've got proper internet. If the other shit, we should be able to go. Guys, welcome to the trenches. My name is Gray to the B to the T to the C to the moon. Let's send this baby to the freaking moon. So a lot is going on today, and I think we should start with addressing some of the things that are going on in the trenches right now.
Or just say the rules of our trenches.
Do you remember the rules,
Memecoin.
Alex? Or you also don't know the rules?
I always making some up. I know the basics one. I know 2, the most important ones, and the third one I'm always making up. So the first, very important, is what we are not giving any financial advice here live on the stream or wherever. We can show you our wins, we can show you our losses, and we sharing our experience. The second main rule, which will be always the same, everything except of Bitcoin is just a scam. You don't trust any of meme coins, shit coins, Ethereum coins, whatever. We trust only into the Bitcoin, and if you make it big, be sure you're selling everything and buying more Bitcoin. If you've got your Bitcoin, sell everything you have at home and buy more Bitcoin. Yeah.
I think what's happening right now is a perfect testament of this rule number 2. Everything is a scam except for Bitcoin. Now, you can see with what's happening right now, overnight, everything is on fire, it's nuking, and only Bitcoin seems to be resilient, right? And some of the coins that are down bad right now, unfortunately, they will never come back. They're going to obscurity, and that's going to be the end of them. So, guys, you have to be extremely, extremely, extremely careful with the trenches. However, yesterday, we found a runner. We found one runner, and it was amazing yesterday. We caught I think our play for yesterday was FAFO.
FAFO, right?
Yeah. How is your position on FAFO? Because I had an automatic sell order at 60 million. We're using my bot, and automatically it sold. I didn't even know. I think I was in the plane when it happened. I just saw a message after I landed. Like, okay, a position was sold. I was like, oh, this is beautiful. I just landed to some free money. It was good to see. So today we have to find a new runner and look at how we can make money. But effectively, how is the market looking? Like, what do you understand of crypto right now, Alex? What is going on in your perspective?
I was actually just messaging about this in the X. in my life right now, everybody just trying to withdraw as many cash as possible. I mean, in the main world, I'm talking about the main world, just the finances. Because when everybody is crushing, everything is crushing. I mean, the stock market, Bitcoin, and everything going down. People want to get some cash. So I can just see how everything will go up in a little while. We just need to wait for it, and I. So that's why I can't see any actual runner for today. Except of DeepSeek, obviously, yeah. But there is no one DeepSeek. It's already two on my screen right now who have pretty good and pretty big valuation. Yeah, I mean, market cap.
Okay, so is DeepSeek the most important subject for today?
I guess, yeah, for sure. Everybody's... Alex, your voice is echoing bad. I'm sorry. Am mine?
I think it's probably because I'm not wearing headphones, so I'll just do it on my side.
I can do... you can do myself just a little bit lower. Yeah, the DeepSeek is obviously the main thing right now. All the hype going on in Twitter, where everybody calling back the OpenAI, and everybody start realizing, but you don't have to pay $200 monthly to receive relevant answers, and you can build your game in a matter of one single sentence in prompt, and already started running. This is just insane.
Yeah. Okay, so today, do you know the title of the stream on my side, Alex?
No. I mean, yeah. If you can hold, you won't be rich.
If you can hold, you won't be rich. That is the subject for today. Now, do you know where that story, that saying is coming from?
I mean, before, in the days when the crypto just starts, everything were about holding, because you were able to get your BNB coin at the price of 0.1 or something like 10 cents. You were able to get your Ethereum, and you were able to get it actually for a long time at the price of like $100. So it's now not about trading and flipping. Now it's about holding and believing.
Okay, look. So that is the saying from the one and only CZ Binance, the founder of Binance, right? He came up with that saying: "If you can hold, you won't be rich." And this is what he meant about it. Because I went on X today, I was telling people like, yo, I'm down a couple of million, but I'm okay. And a lot of people were feeling sorry for me. And
I don't.
exactly. I mean, you understand the game, right?
Yeah, for sure.
But the thing is this: if you're going to just be looking at your portfolio on a dollar, like an accountant would look at it, a dollar today, dollar tomorrow, you're going to be depressed as hell. Okay? A good example, one of the portfolios that we track here, other than my own stuff, we look at Murad's portfolios here, right? And when was the last time? When was the last time we checked? It was at $55 million. That was 2 days ago, right?
Right.
Today it's $40 million.
Oh.
Right. So
10 mils in just a matter of days.
In a matter of days. So if you're a normie, you think of it like, oh my gosh, this is how the news report stuff. They'll be like, oh, look at this guy. He just lost, oh yeah, they say Elon Musk just lost $3 billion in one day. That's how they report.
Right.
The same, they would look at Murad and go, Murad just lost $10 million in one day because of his meme coins. And
everybody just forgetting. What was the initial Murad investment in this wallet?
I mean,
100K?
I think it's like 2 million, less than 2 million.
That's crazy, dude.
Right.
Yeah, he is in huge debt right now.
Right. Exactly. So you look at the portfolio like this. You're like, okay, if you were a normie, you would think of it like, oh man, yesterday I had 55 million. I could have just taken out 15 mil and then buy a villa in Dubai or whatever.
Right.
But you have to understand how you got to this point, to this number, is because you've just been holding. If this guy is going to go to $500 million, it has to be the same way. You just have to hold on to his positions. So your portfolios are going to get tested. You go down, you go up. I've been holding Bitcoin for a long time. It's exactly the same. It goes up a lot and it's go down. and then it goes up again, it goes down. If you're just going to be reacting to stuff, you have a bad time. So stop saying that you have lost money, because you haven't. If you're holding good stuff, your portfolio is just down, but it will bounce back. Stop saying that, oh, I've lost money right now. You're holding Mudeng, bro. It's going to bounce back. You just have to wait. But if you're in the trenches buying every little coin for the day and you think you can hold it, then that's your problem, right? That's why I make it clear the difference between playing the trenches, a coin for the day, and a coin for holding. Yesterday we were doing FAFO, and we said it's a play. It was yesterday's play, right? Everyone, it was
Of
clear
the
to everyone.
game, of the day.
It was
It was
coin
a
of the
play of
day.
the day.
Right, it was a play for the day yesterday, and we started off here 5 million. We ride it all the way up. It went to like almost 100 mil. Now it's down to 11 million. I think it's done. Now, if you want to speculate, you can be like, oh, buy the dip, maybe it'll come back. That's up to you. But in my view, I've rinsed this coin. I'll move on to the next one. So that is our challenge for today. Now, let me give you guys a quick update first of what is going on in the market. We got Bitcoin now at $102,000. I think this is a prime price for people that want to trade derivatives. If you want to go long on BTC and Ethereum, this is your opportunity to enter early. XRP is now back at $3. And in the last 24 hours, the biggest winners in the top 100 have been DEXY, Move, Hyperliquid, BitTensor, Nexo, and BNB. All of them with a single digit pump. So nothing really, really crazy in the last 24 hours. However, when we go to the trenches, to the top gainers, we got Heijik, Alchemy, Ultra, Murasaki, Spirax, Elon, and Shiba Inu Treat. A lot of the coins that I don't even know myself. It's just a bunch of stuff, random stuff, a couple of AI. But if you look at it, it doesn't have a consistent theme of what meta is pumping. Is it AI? Is it gaming? Is it what? It's just like a bunch of random things happening right now. So that's the state of the market today, my friends.
I'm still want to see. I was speaking about it yesterday. I still want to see the actual agents. I mean, I don't believe they actually built the agents by now. If there is no any good agents who can at least do some, let's not say for work stuff, and this is basically what we're running the internet whole time. There is not any good agent yet on the meme coins. There is just some scripts, there is some workflows for some prompts, there is actually some stuff, but not agents. And DeepSeek is actually making it easier and cheaper to run and to build it, right?
Yeah.
And
yeah.
do you know the crazy part? Because I have my agents, right? I got my agents for YouTube. And the thing is, what if you want to change your OpenAI API key to DeepSeek API key, you don't need to change anything. They did it so simple. So you're just taking your API key from DeepSeek and just putting it straight away to where was the API key of OpenAI before, and nothing, and it's running, and it's done, it's working.
So
and
these guys
you're just saving money.
Are literally coming for OpenAI. They're like, okay, we want to take all the clients of OpenAI, we want to make them ours, right? That's what they're doing. They're not even hiding it.
They like, I will just do everything you're doing right now 10 times cheaper. And you, as a runner of the business, will you accept that deal? Yes.
Yeah.
You know how much work you need to do to implement this thing? Nothing. It's already ready. It's done for you.
Yeah.
I mean, you would change it anyway in the month. I mean, usually you're changing this API key from OpenAI once a month or so, if just for security reasons. And so it's just another month for you.
Yeah. So look, there is I see someone here said, I don't know what time you stream every day these days. Bro, traveling, I'm back on the road right now, so it is a little crazy. My time zone is all messed up. But tomorrow I should be back to normal programming. We also had a little problem at the beginning of the stream with the internet, but that has been solved. So tomorrow we should be back to just normal times and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'm just glad that we managed to stream anyway. So if you're wondering what is happening in the market and why the markets are crashing, please understand that it's not just crypto that is down. Everything is down. And this is the picture, the perfect picture that indicates what is going on. Xi Jinping is pressing a button to nuke all markets. So you look at stocks, Amazon, Apple, everything is basically down red today. The reason is because a Chinese company called DeepSeek figured out a way to deploy a cheaper model for AI, a language model like ChatGPT, but in a much, much, much cheaper and efficient way. And then this has led into a sell-off in the stock market across the world because the people in America think that the American AI companies are extremely overvalued. They're like, wait, we have spent trillions of dollars to get OpenAI running, and you guys are telling us that it's the energy costs for these are insane. Trump is putting up a bunch of money to sort of to create a new super PAC for freaking AI, $500 billion. Why is that the case when someone else in China has figured out a way to do it with very little resources? So everybody's panicking and they're selling everything. That is what's going on right now, guys. And
I can say more. Yeah, you're right.
yeah, sure. You can add to it if you want. But yeah, that is the essentials of what is going on. So it's a panic selling. And then while the markets are panicking and selling everything, at the same time, you have people saying that, wait, the Chinese are not saying the truth about how cheap this model is. They have 50,000 GPUs of NVIDIA, even though they're not supposed to have them, that they're using to run it. It's a lot of shady things going on, man. So,
Yeah, right. I mean, I can't add anything. You're right. That's
Right.
so true.
Yeah, so all the markets right now are basically red today, guys. I'm sorry to tell you that, but it is just that day. Look, you got stock losers in the stock market. You got some of them losing 46%, Nebius Group 37%, PMGC 38%. A lot of stuff is energy companies, infrastructure 30%, because people are the markets are saying, wait, maybe we don't need as much energy as we thought. Maybe all the money we're putting out to energy transition to get back to the raw energy generation is a waste of money, because we can actually do AI without so much energy. Now, NVIDIA has been known as the leader of this AI revolution, as the #1 beneficiary. But then the markets are saying, wait, if NVIDIA is not that important, if China can do it without NVIDIA, then maybe NVIDIA is currently overpriced. So they're selling, and now you can see 16% down. But then the rumor now says that the Chinese guys have 50,000 GPUs. Now, I think this is interesting news, but I think the markets are overreacting, and very soon we're going to get back to our senses and everything goes back up. What do you think, Alex? Do you think are the markets overreacting, or there is really something here extraordinary?
I mean, the people, when something like this happens, just want to have more cash. So the reaction is not overreaction, right? Because not everybody wants to lose money on the stocks. Not everybody have this amount of money just to hold and wait. And obviously, when people got realized what AI, it's not this expensive, what we were told it, right? $500 billion, it's only to support, it's not even to build something crazy, AGI and stuff. I'm not sure what the market is overreacting, but it will bounce back for sure. That's I can almost guarantee.
Yeah, I mean, one thing for sure is for people that are saying that I don't understand why one company would nuke the whole market. Okay, look, it makes sense because all the stock prices right now, if you look at the market, you'll see that it's actually tech that is nuking for the most part, the tech stocks.
Right.
So the tech stocks have been increasing for the last 2 years based on the AI narrative. We're going towards AGI, we're going there, and America is leading. I mean, but this technology is very expensive to build. it's very expensive. We need to raise a lot of money. Everything is overvalued. I think Sam Altman was valuing his company at $1 trillion at some point, and they raised a bunch of money and stuff like that. And the markets are saying, wait. So these things is not as what it's in to be. You guys are just calling numbers out of thin air, but the actual work does not require as much work as you're saying.
I can make a parallel here, like Elon Musk did with X, and everybody start firing their employees. He came in and start firing like 80% of the actual team, and kept on the way. I mean, on the run, right? He managed to run it with only 20% of the people, and this is exactly what did DeepSeek nowadays. He so we spent 1,000 times less than you. We have like 300 times less team than you, and our CEO is actually sitting in some cheap sedan in the whole conference hall, pitching his company for the investors. Right? You don't need a Ferrari F1 for the CEO.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
But also, look, you have to give it, the product itself is good, actually. I've used DeepSeek. It's really, really good.
I've been chilling it forever. I've told it on the stream. All my team is using only DeepSeek. It's faster, it's well reasoned, and the system they use it to run is just better, because you don't need an actual huge prompt, because he can analyze it. So basically what OpenAI does, they getting your prompt and going straight by the prompt, but the DeepSeek is analyzing your prompt on the way of thinking, and they will think until they will not get an answer. So they make a lot of mistakes during the thinking part and then getting you the right answer.
Yeah, so this is Global Eye News. They say, breaking news, the US stock market loses $1 trillion in a single day after the launch of Chinese AI platform DeepSeek. Now, I know we're talking a lot about DeepSeek and AI, and this is the DGen Memecoin Show, because everybody's like, oh, where are the trenches? Let's get into the trenches. Let's make money. Yeah, sure. But we need to understand what's going on, because this is what's going to determine our next moves. So move number one, expect a lot of crypto companies, a lot of crypto plays like Eliza, AI16Z, they have already started making shifts. Like Alex said, that you can simply just replace your API key with a DeepSeek one. A lot of AI projects in crypto are doing that. That will bring down the cost, and Alex suspects that they'll be better. The AI agents will get much, much better, because it's cheaper cost to language models. So we should expect a new boom in crypto, actually, if you think about it. Instead of thinking of this moment as the end, it's time to look deeply into what are the really good AI projects to app into, both on the investment side of things or in the DGens.
The market is not going anywhere. Even if you will receive the most high-end AI agent, the market will just be better and bigger than he is.
Mm-hmm.
So it was kind of a secret from everybody if I or whatever guy launch his own best AI agent who makes shit ton of money. But now with new AI, everybody can do it. And so it will be not the game of like the market versus one great team who managed to crack the code. It will be the game of the market who will make or run or teach or whatever better agent. That's my point.
Yeah, that is absolutely true. So my position now on this is that we need to start looking at narratives in the trenches that are so aligned with AI and with DeepSeek. So that's why today I think one of the runners is also a DeepSeek play, right? I guess. DeepSeek is one of the top discussed plays for today. I don't know which version of it, because I was on the flight, I didn't trade it. But I could see that people were talking about DeepSeek today as the number one.
The market cap is pretty low for all of these DeepSeeks. Like the biggest one is 2.2 mil. All right, 7 mil. 7 mil.
Yeah.
There is 7 mil.
Yeah, so there's a 7 mil DeepSeek. And And then there's another DeepSeek that is 13 hours old. So I don't know which one is being discussed the most. Is it the one that is the larger, I guess?
Oh, I mean, yeah, it makes sense. But at the same time, I'm not trusting either of them because for the actual runner, the market cap is pretty low. And it's been for a while. The huge peak was during the day when everything was crashing, when everybody was speaking about it. That was the actual time of, I mean, there is DeepSeek AI 12 mil launch, started 22 days ago.
Well, yeah. So that was so people like you already knew about DeepSeek. I think
Of course, yeah.
it's why
It's nothing new.
It's nothing new. Yeah, right. So because you're deep in the AI trenches. So like, if you told me to buy DeepSeek at that moment, bro, I would have bought it because then we could have made money yesterday.
Right.
Why didn't we think about that one? You knew about
because
DeepSeek.
I knew, and I've told you about DeepSeek. Like maybe when you was in Russia, I actually told you. But there is a DeepSeek, and you can use it without a VPN because if you want to use ChatGPT, you have to run the VPN.
Yeah, but
it's not like
My question.
I should think the other way. Yeah,
I think
you're right. You're
we,
right.
we should have thought about if. Well, I think I couldn't even have. To be honest, I couldn't have imagined that a new player would come over and threaten OpenAI because I know of all the other models, Gemini and all these other dipshits. I don't even. I try them. I see that from a product perspective, don't even come close to ChatGPT. And if you look at pricing and all that, so I felt too comfortable maybe with OpenAI's product. But we should have thought. We should have thought about. Right now, guys, Chad, if you're listening to this, if you know of a certain truth that might become viral, not as a coin, just in the real world, please bring it up so that we can already either we make a coin about it or we just buy a coin that already exists so that by the time the world catches up, we'll be selling. Because I was in Russia at the beginning of at the end of the month, right? So all these dates, look.
3 weeks ago, yeah.
2 weeks ago, I was in Russia. All these days, look at the price of DeepSeek around that. It was literally flat. It was nothing. I could have just put in one soul into it, literally. Because now it bounced back, and what happened? From here...
Oh my God. I see the price on your life.
7,000%, bro.
And it's keep growing up.
Imagine, one soul could have been a lot by now. You know what I mean? So we should have thought about.
We're already missing our Lambo.
Yeah, we missed out a Lambo right there. So I think we need to think critically about these things now, about trends. This is Chad. If you're listening to this, this is a discussion about trends. If you can see a trend, be early and position yourself correctly because when it happens, it could be a loss. Like we could have bought it now and maybe it could have taken a year for this to happen. Or maybe we would have forgot about it and just sell the position. But right now it shows that we could have made a lot of money there. Anyway, so it's also very important to know that this coin has nothing to do with the actual DeepSeek. It's basically just a meme coin.
For me, it's the community showing their support to the actual DeepSeek and the stuff they're running it still for free, completely free. And everybody can.
I think for clarity, people need to know that this coin has nothing to do with DeepSeek. It's basically people grifting over DeepSeek itself. So either they're gonna make money or they might lose it or whatever. It is what it is, and nobody cares because it's just a meme.
100%. Yeah, nobody actually cares about this coin.
But the company itself is not going to benefit anything from this other than the popularity. I'm sure they would wish if this was their actual coin. But what I will do in the trenches, though, I'm going to ape into DeepSeek right now.
Which one?
The bigger one.
In my screen right now, there is DeepSeek, Deep Guy, DeepSeek, Deep Fart, DeepSeek something, one more, DeepSeek AI, Seek. And it's only one page, on Dex Screener.
I just aped in to make a 4x, and then I'll sell it after, or I'll sell 50% when it doubles, and then the rest I'll let it run. So after 100%, I will say 120%. I'll sell 50% of the position to recoup my initial investment. The rest I'll leave it in there. It's just a small little position, of course. But it's what we do, isn't it? Okay, so I'm into this dipstick, and then let's see what else. Let's see what else is very important out there today. What is the narrative? What is the trenches, guys? I'm open-minded. You tell me whatever. I jumped into the one that was trending #1. I think it's the same one. It just went down under the trends.
Yeah, it's dropped down a little bit.
Yeah. So Dre is just saying we literally have to predict the trend before it trends. Absolutely. If you think about it, if you can predict trends, maybe this is a working thesis, Alex, that we can use. If we can predict a trend or for the next month, like what's going to be relevant, and launch a coin and support it, just make sure it just...
you know what I really think about it?
Right.
This will be a name, an actual name. Because during this kind of like race between countries right now, the first who launch their own agent will receive everything, and the agent needs a name. It will be the name of the agent who will launch the first and bring the most of a good stuff for people, like actual good stuff.
Can you elaborate on that?
I mean, if they start, for example, some agent who is able to create a song for you, but an actual agent who can, for example, hear you or like search through the internet or do whatever, the agent itself need a name, and whatever agent got viral, there will be a coin with this name. I mean, then how to call it? The actual name, like Alex, like Gray, like whatever agent, right?
They're already agents like that. So we've got AI XBT, we've got GOAT. We already have agents that have.
Yeah, but I mean the actual one, not like the people who did some prompts and created their scripts when to buy or to sell, or some bots who searching and scrapping the Twitter and shit posting.
But how? So what is this agent gonna do? The one that you're talking about?
Yeah, like OpenAI agent who already can book an hotel for you or book tickets.
OpenAI's agent is called what's the name?
I don't know, but it's down badly.
Yeah, exactly. It's down bad. Yeah, but you know why? Because that launch was really underwhelming.
Yeah,
I think they call him was it Copilot or something like that. It's really OpenAI.
Oh, the video of Selena Gomez that's going to become a trend in the next 24 hours. She's crying because the friends are deported. Yeah, it's kind of, I mean...
Yeah. The Selena Gomez one, right? So what... Operator, yeah. OpenAI's support agent is kind of... It's called Operator. And I tried to trade it on that day it came out. It never really worked. Because it was a shit launch anyway. Operator.
Because nobody cares. Because nobody cares about OpenAI anymore. Because everybody cares about DeepSeek nowadays.
Yeah. I think it was just the wrong timing for this launch. You can see it went all the way to 56 million, and then it dumped almost immediately. So now it doesn't matter anymore. But the Selena Gomez thing is very interesting. Is it Selena or Serena?
Selena
Gomez.
Selena, yeah.
Selena Gomez coin. So you can see, so this one is pumping already. It was created 2 days ago.
But the market cap?
Yeah, this one's already rugged. Yeah.
Welcome to the trenches. I mean, it's a good thing when the coin getting rugged before you going into it.
Yeah.
Oh, Flip, I was about to send you a deep guy. I actually sent you the deep guy CA in Telegram when the market cap was around 700, and now it's doubled already. I regret my decision.
Do you know about Stupid Coin? Let's talk about Stupid Coin.
No, I never heard about. I mean, people can keep asking me, and the market cap is pretty high. But what's going on with Stupid Coin? I seen the guy in X who wrote "stupid" in his elbow, or wherever. Like,
So there's this guy, right? He went on a live stream and be like, okay, I will try to make a coin. I'm just trying to show you how to make a coin. Let's just say Stupid Coin. And he went on a live stream and devved the coin and released it to Valhalla, and it sent. It went to the moon. He was actually cooking it up on the live stream. It was live when he was doing it, and you can see on this hour it peaked because it was still on the live stream. At its peak, it went to $86 million within the first 4 hours, and then now it's sitting at $23 million right now. Just just a gentleman. What's his? I forgot what his name is. It's simple, stupid. And yeah, Fred Krueger is the guy. Okay, class
I
is
love the
over.
name Simple.
We learned how meme coins were made. We made a stupid coin. We burned some of it. We sent a bunch of it to people. Now stick to Bitcoin. You can't print it. I think it was a very good tweet. I'm considering actually buying this coin. Out of all the meme coins that I've been launching, this is more
Community based, because people actually
community
love
based,
it.
and it's also not trying to pretend to be something. Like, oh,
Right.
with this, with that. It's like trying to be cool. It's not trying to complicate things. It's literally just telling you, stupid. It's just a simple stupid coin. This is a very, very effective way of building community and getting people to care because everyone can relate to it. And the guy
Oh, it's already listed everywhere.
yeah, of course. And the guy behind it is kind of a nerd in his in his glasses. He looks like he's not trying too hard. He's a traditional finance guy. A Bitcoin maxi, a Stanford PhD. So he understands a little bit of psychology, and he decided to launch the play. And let's see how it goes.
I mean, he calculated this option for sure when he did launch it.
I think so too. Yeah, I think it's much more than him just saying. It's an experiment for him doing it. So this was the live creation video. It got 1 million views, almost 1 million views. So out of all the meme coins, I think this is the one that I might consider buying, that I can buy and hold and expect something from it. Another one is this coin called UFD. So UFD got nuked. I think the founder got hacked. This is another boomer who launched a meme coin. And people think that this guy is lying. This is the guy that created Unicorn Fart Dust coin. We talked about it the same day it came out. We discussed it here on the Memecoin Show. But he's the guy. So he said, okay, let's just listen to what
everybody, this is an emergency live stream. Nothing has changed about Unicorn Fart Dust. All of this remains exactly the same. As you may know, my Phantom wallet got hacked. Somebody has drained all 6.6 million of the Unicorn Fart Dust tokens that were in there, and the Solana that had been generously donated to us, and any other coins that have been put in there that were worth anything of any value. So I want to reiterate to you, I did not sell. I did not make a decision to get out of this. My wallet was hacked, and hold on here. This is all happening here within the last 20 minutes. I'm in shock, but I want to reiterate to all of you, right? Nothing has changed about Unicorn Fart Dust. My feelings about Unicorn Fart Dust, my commitment towards Unicorn Fart Dust has not changed whatsoever. What I wrote down here, right? Nothing's changed, and good attracts.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, what is showing you
all
right
happening
there?
Here within the last 20.
That piece of paper, that paper is showing you there. This is the white paper these days of a project worth millions of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars. Exactly. Good attracts good. Nothing changed about community. Good attracts good. This is a white paper for a project that is now worth more than $200 million. Meanwhile, you entrepreneurs, you're writing decks, getting on call with VCs just to raise $1 million. You have a whole team of people to pay. This guy just launched a meme coin, and this is the white paper, and a bunch of people sent him money. And he just lost the money also. He lost, I don't know if it's 50 million of it. He just lost it. And nobody cares. Welcome to Memecoins. Just
You know,
another
the
thing.
actual funny thing in it is what he did more work than like 99.99% of the meme coin devs.
Oh yeah, of course.
He wrote it on the paper.
Yeah. Exactly, right? Because most devs basically just do absolutely nothing. So yeah, so if you're holding unicorn fat dust, just be aware that a hack has happened and things are getting a little trenchy over there. And people are wondering that this guy might just sell off, whoever hacked the money. 50 million is a lot of tokens. And when the news came out, the chart nuked and it's recovering, but I feel like it's going to continue to nuke because all these sales, I think majority of them are just retail reacting. I don't think the actual G has dropped majority of the tokens with the hacker. And when that happens, I think this could go to sub 100 million. The thing, my take on this, I don't hold any of these coins, but I feel like for UFD, if he sells everything that has been hacked, it's a good thing. I would buy it. Once it gets drained and he sells everything, I would then go in and buy it right now. But I won't accumulate right now because the game's not over. But that's just my take. You know, I'm not telling anybody what to do here. Interesting. Something I wanted to check also was Coin.
I'm gonna be right back real quick. What's going on with Sick coin?
With?
Sick.
What about
It's
Sick?
back to 11 mils. All right, you got it on 9. I'm happy for you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's back on 11 mils right now.
Nice, man. I'm a G today. It feels good. And if I'm in the winner. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, DeepSeek coin. Here we go. So we entered here at 9.4 milli, actually. And now we are 13 millis, my friend. Send it. I feel like we're going to hit our take profit today. So it looks like our coin for today is going to be Sick, DeepSeek. All right, let's send it. Let's see how this one goes for the next few hours, my friends. Anyone else who is in this play with me? Yesterday we had a good play with the FAFO, and today we're playing Sick. So let's see how it goes today, guys. You never know. You never know, man. Just make sure you're not playing with your rent money. Can we talk about DeepSeek? Yeah, it's exactly. We just talked about it now. He did not get hacked. Don't spam the chat. Yeah, Dom, you're right. Let's keep everybody who's gonna spam the chat. We have to get rid of them. Will I make a coin? Yeah, let's make our own coin one of these days. But we have to make sure we have to wait for the market to return to go crazy again. If we do it now, it's not a good time. You can see even the views on the stream is not strong enough because people are depressed. They lost so much money now. They're outside right now. They're not inspired to come back yet. So when the market recovers and everything is green and booming, we'll get back to the trenches and we'll start buying. We'll launch our own coin live. It's going to be similar like what the stupid coin guy did. We're going to do it here similar. Live on the stream. You guys who are watching are going to be the first ones to get in. That's going to be beautiful. And then we can let it grow and the other people can. The thing we have to do is that once we launch it, we're going to have to go on Twitter and make so much noise about it so that everybody knows. Amy Riches, thanks to you. I appreciate you for watching as well every day. It's amazing to have a community of serious grinders like you guys. I really appreciate it. Can we talk about DeepSeek? Yeah, we did. Is Phantom Wallet not safe? How can people hack it like that? Well, your laptop can get hacked. If you're going to be using free Wi-Fi's all over the internet, you can get hacked. You have to be extremely careful. If you're doing crypto and you go to a restaurant, to a cafe, or anywhere, make sure you use your own internet. Don't trust public internet connections. Do not do that. You're going to get hacked. But also, people like me are mostly at risk of being hacked because people are always monitoring us. My team is constantly under attack. We get phishing emails all the time. So you have to be extremely careful. Anything can happen. You never know. Look at Super Chat, please. Okay, let me look at Super Chat. What do you have there? Alex, what do you think about deported? That's a trend. Okay, deported because people are being deported. Let's create deported. Actually, that's a good idea. Let's create deported. Deported. Yeah. I think we can make deported, and we make sure that the thumbnail is some kind of guys on the plane, on a military plane. Or we can use the president of Colombia as the picture of deported. Guys, check out this is Norseman says, guys, check out the train narrative with the Kansas City Chiefs 3-peat with the Super Bowl KC3 pit, low market cap, and we're starting to promote. Okay. I don't know anything about American football, but I can look into that. But if I had to be watching American sports, I think it would be football because it's more manly than basketball, you know? On my side of the world, basketball is kind of like a feminine game because it's a hands game. But American football is the closest thing to rugby. Rugby, which is a tough game. You can't mess with rugby. Okay, so we got
I'm here.
$35,000
here. Oh,
Okay.
Danny. Do you remember all of your like main viewers in your chat by the nickname? Because I just promised the guys I will remember it until there will be like thousands of them.
Yeah, I remember most of them. A lot of guys, I remember them.
Oh, it's 30 mil. Oh, I missed it. Fuck.
What's 30 mil now?
Sick, your coin.
You see, when you don't buy, I'm making money. Let's just keep it like that.
all right. I don't mind.
Please don't buy. Please don't buy.
I got 17 views. So you know what the crazy thing is? I was AFK at the moment. I turned off my camera and I got 17 viewers and the peak. Now it's back to 13.
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely
Guys,
something wrong with you, bro.
I'm gonna just sleep in the next one.
Definitely so.
Like
Okay,
the
guys,
Crypto King does.
I want to say something here also on USA coin.
Oh, USA.
Yeah, USA. So, guys, I want to tell you right now, I have decided to sell my USA coin. Now, I'm not telling you to do this. I've sold it at an incredible loss, right? But I've sold the coin. And the reasons for me selling this coin is the way this coin is trading is really, really suspicious. Usually a coin that has a great community, when it starts going up, it's able to sustain its price in some ways. Now, if you look at this coin, it was sideways for a long time, and when it started pumping, it pumped for days, went all the way here to 270 million, right? And then crashed down to 27 million. Now it's at 31 million.
Yeah, really quick.
There's definitely a cabal that are deep and they're scamming this coin. And another thing that I've also discovered is that Murad is no longer talking about USA coin. So that is a red flag. I think what I have seen in this coin, he has also seen it. If you notice on Murad post, he's mostly now talking about Giga and SPX 6900. I think that is for a reason. I can go on his page right now you will see that those are the coins that he's talking about, because the others maybe he has seen that they're scamming or they're a little more suspicious. Look, even the latest list that he has been making, he's no longer including USA coin. Now, I'm not saying these are facts, but these are my observation right now. These are my observations about the coin. And also looking at how it's trading. When it broke 100 million, at least it was supposed to maintain at least $100 million at worst, USA coin. But right now, it's basically cheating. So to me, it's a pure sign that that coin is shady business. And I won't be surprised if Murad at some point decides to sell it and announce that he decided to sell and give his reasons. His reasons will definitely be the ones that I also give. So in some of his lists, you can also see that he's including it, but it's no longer the same as what he used to say before. That is my take on USA. So I've decided to sell it. I'd rather buy something else. What's going on here?
We need to find a runner today. I want to find a runner because there is too many DeepSeeks. And I really like the idea to mixing DeepSeek with something. The deep fart and the chill DeepSeek guy or whatever, deep guy.
There was another one called Deep Shit. I don't know if you saw it.
No. Let me see.
It already rugged.
All right.
Yeah. So this is what, so on the last candle, I actually would have made it. I almost hit my TP here of 20 million.
A little double, right?
Yeah. I would sell 50% on the double. Just so that I don't lose my money, But let's see. We're still in play right now. I believe that it could hit 20 million for sure. Okay.
Yeah, I would expect some Chinese coins to pump, actually.
Yeah. A new meta is definitely going to be born within the next 24 hours, and that's going to take over the world.
Maybe I actually should run a 24-hour stream, just not miss a runner, and just show the people what it's just a matter of time. It's not a matter of luck or not a matter of knowledge, not a matter of anything. It's just a matter of timing. If you are at the right place and the right time, you is about to get it.
You can catch a runner. Okay, so
I like the deep suck.
Some people here talking about Link. They've been telling me about it for a couple of days now, and I've been fading. But yeah, look at this chart, bro. No, thank you. No, thank you.
Yeah, I've told them the same. No, thank you on Link. Just don't really like it.
Yeah, I can see they follow me and stuff. Yeah, it's a good. I mean, send me free tokens. Let me just put a CA out and see if you guys can send me some tokens out there.
I think the AI play is still gonna be back hard. Oh yeah, for sure. With new opportunities, AI game, it just started. They just warming up their engines,
Yeah. Okay, I made a new coin. I made a new wallet today called Run It Back. And I'm now gonna post it on X to see if who's gonna send me tokens.
I'm gonna send you some, man.
We'll see what kind of tokens I'm going to receive, because I would definitely receive some crazy ones in there. All right. So yeah, guys, I don't know about Link. I don't know anything about it. But if you guys are big holders, send me some tokens and then I can talk about it. And I'll give some of it to the community as well in the giveaway. So if you want me to support your coin, send me a good amount of tokens, a good portion, and we'll support it here and give some of it to the community in a giveaway. They're not going to sell. We're not G's here in this community. We're holders.
We are screenshotters here. I mean,
exactly. Exactly. We just take screenshots of the profits and then, shove it into people's faces on Instagram, but we never really sell.
Huga.
SBR, you have the Sol and ETH version, probably you buy them both. SBR. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. Actually, this is a good ticker. That's actually good that we thought about it today after it tanked. But I would actually like to get the ETH one on this one, to be honest.
Like the more legit one?
Yeah. I mean, they're both legit, but tickers like this that are a little serious, they do well on Ethereum rather than Solana. So the Sol one is sort of $3.3 million market cap right now. Because, you know why? Because the narrative of the Bitcoin, of strategic Bitcoin reserve has not been completed yet. We're still anticipating for that one. So I could actually see this one running. Thank you for bringing this one up. I forgot about it completely. And then there's also obviously one on Ethereum. It's $10 million right now. It's also completely nuked, but $1 million liquidity. So I think that's decent. And it's up 36% in the last 24. I think I'm just going to hedge on this one. I'll go on both. I'll play both sides on this one. Oh my God, stream calls. Yeah. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. I could see this one do a 10x actually really easy.
I can see it so easy, but I want to wait because I'm pretty sure they want to forget about it for quite a while, because of everything what's going on with AI right now. And the main focus now is not in crypto.
I think, yeah, exactly. The moment the narrative of the strategic Bitcoin reserve starts coming back, it would definitely start pumping again. The good thing about
there is one more thing. There is one more thing. Right now, in the eyes of the world, USA is actually losing in the AI game. So they might launch the strategic Bitcoin reserve just to show what they are winning in the other part.
Mm-hmm. True. Yeah. So
they crush the crypto.
The AI, you mean the AI narrative to just continue like that, right?
Right.
All right. Yeah, guys. So another one is someone here brought up Cloudland. Bro, I'm holding Cloudland. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong here. I'm long.
Alex, waiting. I'm buying.
But I'm down bad on these bags, even though I believe in this project. But like right now, I think it's I should have been buying it now, not when I bought it. Maybe I made a mistake there. But yeah, I also think it's a good project. It's extremely undervalued right now, and it's on Base. A bunch of Base developers are always sharing it, talk about it. So yeah. Dwayne says that if Alex is waiting, I'm buying. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yep. Diana says HODL USDT is pumping. Okay, we'll have a look. Why are you guys obsessed with Link? If you want, just send me the coin. Send me the link, guys. Then I'll care. Because right now I don't understand what the meme is. It's just the name just says Link. Okay, that's nice. But then what?
Is his X handle? His name Link, and everybody's.
Yeah, imagine making a ticker of your X. Imagine taking your X name, turn it into a ticker, and frick it. I'll do it. I'll take one of my X's name and I'll make a coin about it, and I need you guys to help me to run it all the way to the moon. and then we make so much money, and she just hear the story about it.
I can't wait to buy. Can't
Alex,
wait.
are you in? What do you think about
I mean,
that one?
I'm in for sure. But if I'm in, I'm a little bit worrying.
Guys, are you gonna buy the coin if I make a coin, a meme coin using my ex name? Will you run it to $100 million for me? I'm ready to do it. I just need a promise from you, from the community. Let's show a good example of I think this is a perfect example of actually flipping the story, turning a negative into a positive. What do you think about that, Alex? She dumped you and you just
for
make a
sure.
meme coin and you cash out 100 milli. I think that's a runner.
This is a real one. This is a real game.
Let's do it. I'm down, man.
So
down.
great BTC coin. All right, let me set up my sniper bot.
Oh, we're not gonna do it now, but I think on the next stream we can do it.
Ah.
I need to find a perfect internet, and I need to have a perfect day for that one. But let's wait until the market is excited again, and then we're gonna launch it. But I think this is the perfect idea. I get my X name, I make a meme coin with it. Instead of crying about it, I turn it into $100 million. You guys are down, right? I'm down. I'm down for that one. And I'll take all the pictures of her and me and put it on the website. Be like, oh, these were the good old days. Help me make new money so that I can get her back. She left me because Bitcoin obviously crashed, right? So, yeah, chat says a W, man. It's a W.
WW.
WW, everybody. And if she sues me...
I love this one. USGD, US government database.
US government
It's
database.
been leaked to DeepSeek recently.
US government database. Oh wow! It's 9 minutes old. Frick it!
Wait, there is
I'm bidding.
huge market cap, like 2 mil.
Yeah, but it's 8 minutes. I'm bidding. It means that it got motion.
Or just shady games. I don't know. It just went popular.
Okay, I think it got motion. I'll just put something small in it. Okay, first let's see how it. Dev sold already. Nuked.
Right, on my side, I signed 100K.
Yeah, it's nuked. Dev sold already. Look on my screen. Or maybe it's trying to buy back. Okay, so Dev bought, Dev sold. I guess it's supposed to be bullish, right? Okay, so I'll get in quick and get out. Let's see. Okay, I'm in. I hope this transaction doesn't work because now I don't want to be in anymore. Please don't work. Yeah, time out, time out. Yeah, it failed. Thank you.
Oh,
But now it's
I
pumping.
love the way speaking with me. I mean, the people speaking with me. Alex, please don't buy. I'm about to buy. Fuck. It will be always with me now. I mean, I don't mind, of course. I'm happy if you guys making some money.
And it's now sending. I hate shit like this, man. Why is it only when I buy things? I mean,
Yeah,
Alex
I'm getting
buys.
used to it now.
But gas is at $4, guys. So just be careful. Whatever size you're aping in, make sure your exit target.
You're covering your gas.
You're
Yeah.
covering your gases there.
I hope it doesn't work. Oh, you should name your token. I hope it doesn't work.
Yeah. I think that's a good ticker.
And it's going up. $1.6 mil now. I hate things like this. I want to buy badly, but I too scared because it's already 1.5 mil. Oh, it's going down. Wait, 800, 700, 500. Go, go, go.
It's nuking already?
Yeah, 500K.
Yeah, some idiots are selling. I can see the transaction here. Oh, but people are ebbing in with like four ETH. I mean 4 Sol and shit like that. I think it'll go back up. Like 5 Sol here. You'll get a couple of charts buying it back actually.
I want to go in so bad. It's 350 now.
I think it's over. Yeah, it's a rinse. It's rinsed.
Oh, liquidity is only 30K.
It's up. It's up. Thankfully, this time around, my wallet saved me for once. It didn't work.
Ooh.
Oh, why are the people buying it back still? Maybe someone's trying to CTO it.
Man, Alex, you can't be scared of losing money. That's how you make money on this space. Gambling.
Welcome to the club, man.
Yeah. Oh, so it was a post just now, like 15 minutes ago, and instantly they created, I mean, the guy created a coin instantly. And the post basically saying what Elon wants to put the US government on the blockchain.
Oh, yeah.
All the databases on the blockchain.
I see.
Right, it's 50K. I'm so happy I didn't get in.
Yeah, it's over. It's over already.
Yeah,
Thankfully,
20K,
also
yeah,
that my wallet
transaction
failed.
never went through.
Transaction
Yeah,
never went through. I was gonna get cheated on that one. I think the guy who shared it to us is a scammer. He's probably knew he's behind it. He just came on the live to shield it.
so you just called me a scammer because I was actually the guy who told you I just like this one.
Is it? So Alex is behind this one, guys.
I'm a cabal.
Alex basically
15K on my chart.
just cheated on us.
I have the other stream where I'm just shilling it, and telling everything. So I shill it here and I'm selling on the other stream. So I seems like a great trader on the other one.
I can see guys on streams doing that kind of shit these days, man. The trenches
Yeah.
are too real.
Are we gonna link 50-50, sir?
Yeah. Okay,
50%
guys.
50% for that.
I think finally tonight I need to get some sleep because, as you remember, last night I just went straight to the airport.
Yeah, you did. And you spend the whole day in this country you're staying right now. And
yeah, exactly. So I think now I need to take a little bit of a nap. And then
no worries. No worries. Trenches, I mean, you never miss a day, right? I mean, you still with us, not for so long time, but anyway.
Yeah, guys. I mean, this is the Memecoin Show. You entertained every day, looking at us spend, lose and make money, and just have fun. The trenches are trenchy right now, guys. It's very, very, very trenchy and very difficult to make money. But the easy days will come back. Just remember, it's very important right now to have your mind made up and have your mind clean and together, because if you lose your mind, you lose everything. It's critical to not...
Right. No FOMO, no
Exactly.
HOMO,
Yeah.
nothing.
The best thing you can do at this point is to just chill, man. Sometimes you don't have to do anything. If you want to just enter plays in and out, that's fine for fun, right? But if you're going to be putting money on the line, then you have to be a little bit more cautious.
Always remember, if your position it's to not buy. It's also a position.
Yeah,
If
exactly.
your position to have cash, you are also investing but in cash. And you
Right.
playing the opposite game and you're beating the opposite beat than the others do. And you may win. Nobody knows. Crypto may crush one day, nothing, like it disappears. Internet may go wrong. If you're buying some, I don't know, food, whatever, supplies, it's also an investment. And you also betting your money and your wealth on it. So don't make a decision, it's also a decision. That's what was I about.
Absolutely, man. So, yeah, let's freaking go. Alex, thank you again for being here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
My pleasure.
And
I will keep live until like 4 5 a.m. my time. I want to sit here for an hour or so and just exploring the trenches. Maybe I will not miss a next runner just because it's always happening around this time. And I will make sure I try to call you
yeah,
if
please.
I will find something
If
great.
something happens, big, Trump says something about his coin or something huge happens that I can long or short, please call me. Let me know
Sure,
because you
sure.
already know
No
I
worries.
want to be in the play. All right.
All
Cheers,
right. I
guys.
hope to see you soon.
Yeah. Cheers, guys. Thank you for watching. You can still and go watch Alex's stream. He'll keep doing it, and take from there. Cheers, everybody. See you tomorrow.